In this video, we'll learn the substitution method to solve two linear equations in two variables. Suppose we have two linear equations, that is x plus 3y equals to 4, and another one is 3x plus 2y equals to 5. Suppose this is first equation and this one is second. Now in this method, first we calculate for x and y, x or y in any of these two equations and substitute that value in another equation. Suppose we calculate the value of x in first equation, that is x equals to 4 minus 3y, and let's put it equation 3. And since we calculate the value from the first equation, we substitute this value in the second equation in place of x, that is 3 times, in place of x we replace this value 4 minus 3y plus 2y equals to 5. Now by distributive property, 3 times 4 equals 12 minus 3 times 3y is 9y plus 2y equals to 5. Now this 12, taking this 12 to the other side, we get 5 minus 12, and in this side minus 9y and plus 2y becomes minus 7y. In the right hand side, the difference is minus 7. Now dividing both sides with minus 7, we get value of y, that is this 7 cancel, and here also this becomes 1, so y equals to 1. Now we substitute this value of y in equation 3 to get the value of x, that is x equals to 4 minus 3 times y is 1, so 3 times 1, that is 4 minus 3, that equals to 1. So our solution is x equals to 1 and y equals to 1. So this is all about the substitution method.